Welcome to this detailed guide on customizing your settings in Amazon Shopping. We will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can tailor your shopping experience to your preferences with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the website amazon.com. Once the page loads, you should be greeted with the familiar home page where you can start managing your account settings. After arriving on the home page, direct your attention to the section labeled Account and Lists, which is typically located at the top of the page. Selecting this link will lead you to a menu where you can access various account-specific features. This step is important because it grants you access to a range of settings that influence your overall shopping experience on Amazon. Once you have clicked on Account and Lists, look for the area dedicated to ordering and shopping preferences. This section serves as the central hub for managing various aspects of how you shop, from saved addresses and payment methods to other personal shopping preferences. It is designed to streamline your shopping experience by gathering all relevant settings in one convenient location. Within ordering and shopping preferences, you will need to locate the option that specifically reads your shopping preferences. Clicking this option will present you with a range of customizable settings that are directly related to your interactions with Amazon. By accessing this part of your account, you are taking active steps to adjust settings in line with your personal needs and expectations. After you have entered the Your Shopping Preferences section, you will notice an area devoted to customizing common settings. Here, several adjustable parameters are grouped together so that you can modify them according to the way you prefer to browse and shop. This step is essential for aligning Amazon's functionality with your everyday use patterns. Options here may include preferences for display settings, reminders, and other aspects that contribute to a personalized shopping environment. At this point, once you have reviewed the available common settings, you should look for an option that allows you to add new customizations. By clicking on the Add option, you signal your desire to introduce further adjustments that suit your shopping habits. This action not only personalizes your account further, but also enhances the overall efficiency of your shopping experience. Following the addition of new settings, you will be prompted to select one of the choices presented. Evaluate each option carefully and choose the one that best aligns with your preferences. Each available option has been designed to cater to a range of shopping needs, so take your time to ensure that your selection meets your requirements. Once you have made your selection, the final step is to click on Save. Saving your settings is a critical step as it confirms and applies all the customizations you have made. With your new preferences stored, you can now enjoy a shopping experience on Amazon that reflects your personal style and habits. This process ensures that every time you shop, the website is configured to support and enhance your unique needs. Enjoy your tailored Amazon shopping experience.